Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you're asking yourself where not to install hardwood floors. So in less than a minute, I'm going to try to answer this question. And the answer to this question is really all linked to the hardwood floor's number one drawback. And hardwood floor's number one drawback is that it hates water and moisture. It will cause the wood to rot, to warp, and deform, and cause you all kinds of problems with your floor. And so, where to not install hardwood floors is places that will get wet. For example, in your bathroom. No matter how hard you try, you will not be able to keep the floor of your bathroom dry. Similarly, in a laundry room. You might not think about it, but when you pull your clothes out of the washing machine, they're going to drip water on the floor. And also places like a foyer or an entry. You also might not think about it, but when people are consistently coming in with wet shoes, it can cause damage to the wood. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.